that a loud sound also accompanied the quake as well.
Absolutely. Brian, stay on with us. Arzu's also with us live. Arzu, again, the same question to you. How has the national capital reacted at 5:36 a.m.? Were people running out of their houses? What was the immediate reaction?
Well, Sabri, yes, the earthquake tremors were felt at around 5:36 a.m. in the morning, and after that, the people woke up and they stepped out of their houses as the tremors were so strong that people, in fact, said for the first time they felt such tremors in the national capital, as the epicenter was in New Delhi, and that's why the tremors were so strong. And in fact, the tweet was made by the former Delhi Chief Minister Atishi. She also, urged that the people should stay calm, and also the Prime Minister himself urged the resident to stay calm and follow the safety measures. He assured the people that the officials are keeping a close watch on the situation. But yes, it has become a challenge for the experts also, because the epicenter is in the New Delhi, and aftershocks are also expected. So that's why the experts are also studying the the epicenter here in the national capital, and also the people have stepped out of their houses from the high-rise building, and also the expert says that scientists also ask the people, in the case of the any earthquake situation, the people should step out in an open area where there should be no poles or trees. There should be an open area. If they are driving, they should stop driving and sit in their cars. They should not move around the any bridge or the pulse. So that's why it is being said to take the precautionary measures to save their life. In fact, Delhi police have also issued a 112 number in case of any emergency. But as of now, there is no news of any incident or the accident. So yes, it's it's a good news. And but yes, the epicenter was in the national capital, and the magnitude was 4.0. So it was a very strong tremor that were felt by the people of the national capital.
Indeed, you're absolutely right. Anil Chaudhary also joins us at this point of time.